Hi everyone and welcome to my garden, and in this video we're going to be concentrating on how to sow seeds. As a gardener, one of the things I love the most about this time of year is sowing my own seeds and growing my own plants. And if you've ever had any doubts whether you can grow your own plants, trust me, everybody can grow their own seeds and plants. Here's 4 simple steps to sowing seeds. First of all, we need to establish what seeds we wish to plant and when to plant them. Today, we are going to be planting Lavateria seeds. Lavateria, in our climate in Wales, are generally annuals, plants that only grow for 1 year. They grow quickly and tall and create masses of pink and white flowers, and they do attract all kinds of pollinators, especially the bees. When planting seeds, often, if you look at the back of the seed packet, there's quite important information and instructions on how we should sow the seeds and when they will flower. As you can see, it's a great opportunity now for us to plant this Lavateria. But remember, you can always grow whatever you wish to grow. That's what's so fantastic about growing seeds. There's so much choice to be had. A second important step is ensuring that we have the equipment needed to start growing the seed. Now, often you will need a pot, some compost, water and a label. But don't worry if you don't have pots, watering cans or labels. There are things that we can recycle that could be lying about the house that will work just fine. Today, I'm going to use an old grape punnet, for example, to sow the seeds, some peat-free compost, a milk bottle as a makeshift watering can, and a lollipop stick to label the seeds. It's important to ensure that as we buy compost, that we look for compost that does not contain peat. Or as you can see on the bag itself, the words peat-free. Peat stores a lot of carbon, but also is home to some of our rarest habitats. So if we wish to garden in a way that is friendly to nature and the environment, we should try to avoid compost that includes peat. Thirdly, and this is the most important step, is time to place the compost within the container. Make sure you feel the soil between your fingers. Studies have shown that this can be very beneficial for our health and well-being. After we've done that, just tap it down gently and then moisten the surface with some water before we sow the seeds. This ensures that we don't wash the seeds to the edges of the container. Then, with the packet of seeds, gently open the packet to ensure that you don't damage any of the seeds, and place the seeds on the palm of your hand, ready to be sown. It's important to inspect the seeds before we sow them. As you can see, there's an inner packet here, which is always beneficial as well. With the seeds themselves then, sparingly spread them across the surface of the container, ensuring that germination is even. And then cover your seeds with a thin layer of compost, no more than say about 1 centimetre, and try to ensure that there aren't any large lumps within that compost, just to help the little seedlings germinate. Gently tap the surface of the soil down and then label your container or pot so that we remember which plants we have planted, and it's as simple as that. You have sown your first seeds. Place them on a warm sunny windowsill or in the greenhouse and wait a few days for germination to take place. It's as simple as that. Come back soon to learn how to transplant and care for seeds as they grow.